Hi, in this video I'll show you how to achieve the 3D pop-out effect shown on the screen. Let's get started. The first thing that we want to do is to navigate to the Elements section. Once in Elements, we want to search for a frame, and the type of frame that we're going to use is a phone frame. So we'll type in our search phone frame. Once that loads, I'll select one and place it on the canvas. Right, on the canvas you can then adjust the size of the frame so that it's a bit larger. That looks fine. And whilst we're still in Elements, we want to search for an image that we're going to work with, and for the purposes of this demonstration I'll use a bicycle rider. So alright, search bicycle rider. Okay, and then I'll filter by photos, and then from the list that shows up I want to choose an image, and I want to work with this one. So I'll place that on the canvas, right? And then once it's on the canvas, what I want to do is you have two copies of this image, so I'll duplicate that. Click on the three dots, select duplicate. So now I have two images, right? And then I'll select one of them, and then for one of the images I want to remove the background, so I select and then click on PG remover. Right, so that's fine. And then for the second image, I want to hold and drag and place it inside my frame. Right, once it's inside my frame, I want to reposition it. So the way to do that, I'll need to double click, right, and then I can move my image. Right, that looks fine. Now after this is done, the next step is to place the images on top of each other, so in such a manner that they are perfectly aligned. Right, so let's do it. Let's work with this one. Let's see how they are positioned. Okay, this one is on top, so I'll drag the image in the frame, right, and try and align it with this one perfectly so that they are matching. Once the images are perfectly aligned, right, you want to put some other effects to make it look a bit more realistic, right? So what we want to do again in Elements, we're going to search for splatter, right, and then we need to choose an option. So that looks fine. We can add it to our image, right, and then we can duplicate this so that we have a number of these. You can hold and rotate, right, and then bring this one here. Can duplicate it one more time. Right, now we have 3 of these. Okay, so if you want, you can change the color of this to any color that you want. So you can select this, then go to colors, then maybe you want to change it to brown, for example. Right, you can do that. Select, change the color, select the third one, change the color. Okay, and so that's how you achieve this 3D pop-out effect using Canva. You can click and drag to select all the images and then group them so that it's just one image. Also, you have the option to download this, right? You can click on share and then select the download option, and then you choose the type of image that you want to work with. I'll go for JPG and then click on download, and that will save my image. I do trust you enjoyed the video. Do give it a like and do comment down below to let me know what you think. Cheers, and catch you on the next one.